cold. It was the first snowfall today, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Welcome back, Tag Team. Welcome back to another video. Really glad to see you guys through the camera, sort of. So today we're gonna go with a really simple makeup look. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but what I do know, I just got this Kylie Burgundy palette. It's got a bunch of warm tones in there. I thought it'd be really great to warm up a little bit with those today. I am not done with fall warm colors yet. The oranges, the leafy colors, you know? Like the golds, the oranges, the browns, and some of the greens. Oh, I want to throw a green in there. But we're doing one makeup palette today. Alright, so I already have my primer, my foundation, a little bit of kind of like a neutral highlight on, little bit of contour, not too much, because I still want to look like myself, and my brows, and already got some primer on my eyes. I will list down below the products that I use. Alright, let's just start smashing it onto my eyeballs. Start by putting Naked on the corner. So far, not bad. I'm just gonna do one eye at first, and then I'll finish the other eye off camera after. Okay, now I'm going in with Beach. So I'm gonna blend that up towards my brow. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the bottom. I'm not even being like super precise right now. I'm just building that color on. And I'm just gonna keep blending that out. I'm already feeling warmer. I like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Brick. It's kind of the dark color of the palettes. Some darkness on there. Start blending that in a little. So a little bit of a softer blending brush for this one. So I want to try to build that color. I like this palette so far. I mean, I had no idea what to expect out of it. Alright, so now I want that splash of color. My brush just broke. I like this brush. Okay. Boo. Why'd you die on me? I like you. I'm gonna go in with this really nice, it says Burgundy, with that kind of fluffy brush, but not too fluffy. I can kind of use it for packing. I'm gonna start packing some of that towards the corner there. Okay, I can live with that. The pigment's pretty decent. Like, it's not insane, but it's definitely not disappointing. We'll put a little bit more of that burgundy along the outer corner here. I'm gonna just blend that in slightly, just so the line's not so hard. Yeah, this is my favorite concealer. The NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I don't know why I'm showing it to you right now. I already told you I'd listed in the items below. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my cut crease brush, this little tiny guy. Use my finger to kind of blend that together. And I knew that the concealer would blend with the shadows underneath. I kind of like that, because then it all kind of gives it a bit of unity. Like, I don't do that for every look. Sometimes I clean underneath the concealer, so like the color is its very own standing out color. And then, yeah, see, we've already got a nice gradient going there. And now, when we go in with LA, with this little guy, it's really nice for packing on, like, kind of smaller areas. I'm actually quite happy with this color. I mean, it's not like one of those like bam colors, at least the way I'm using it right now, but definitely not disappointed with that. And now go in with this nice color Dubai and start blending that. Oh, I like that. That's nice. I mean, I like this. The colors blend nice. They got good pigment. I got no complaints. Alright, now I'm gonna take some of this color, Penny, and put that into the corner. Easy peasy. I'm not regretting getting this palette. I'm gonna take that down, blend that. I'm gonna go back and take some of that Dubai color again, blend that. Kind of want to deepen this corner a little bit more. I'm gonna go back in with this floofy kind of brush. That's not even a word, I just made it up. It's floofy. Take that brick color, just throw a little bit more on the corner there. So I'm gonna go in with that penny. I'm gonna go in with that penny color on my brow bone. Not hating it one bit. Surprised myself. This is why I like trying different things and challenging myself. Because if you stick to your comfort zone, you just kind of stop learning. And a little bit more there in the corner. Some of my eyeliner on there. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color. Now with this look, I'm not gonna do a huge ring because I'm really liking that smoky look. Just gonna do very subtle. And drag that up. Okay, so now I'm gonna throw on some of my mascara, pair of lashes, finish this other eye, throw some lips on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, well here's the finished look. I hope you like it. I had a lot of fun making it for you, and it's always fun trying a new palette. I'm kind of happy with this look. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because good stuff will happen if you do. Okay, so this is my review. Yeah. Oh, there, the camera's loving that one. Hey, you're still watching. Thank you.